Hello everyone. Are you also frustrated with the too many people are using this feature right now, or no internet connection error? Whenever you apply an effect, it works for a few seconds and then suddenly disappears. After that, all the features stop working. In this video, I'll explain why this problem is happening and what you can do about it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, let's understand why this issue is happening. Earlier, this problem didn't appear very often. Even if the no internet error showed up, updating the app usually fixed it. But after recent updates, the security system has become stricter. Because of stronger security measures in CapCut, some accounts get temporarily restricted, especially if unusual activity is detected, such as switching networks repeatedly or using unofficial versions. That's why effects, templates, animations, and transitions may stop working after some time. Now let me be honest, many videos online claim to provide a 100% working solution. In their videos, everything appears to work perfectly. But when you try it yourself, it doesn't work the same way. Instead of wasting your time watching fake solutions, let me tell you the real situation. Right now, there is no permanent solution. This issue is mostly related to the app's internal server system. However, I'll share a temporary workaround that worked for me. Here's what you can try. Make sure you are using the latest official version of the app. You can download it using your own method from a trusted source. Avoid using modified or unofficial versions. Use a stable and fast internet connection. If needed, switch networks once and then keep the connection stable. Open the app and turn on business creator mode from the settings. Try applying effects, animations, or transitions again. If everything works but disappears after a few minutes, close the app completely. Reopen it. If it still doesn't work, go to settings. Turn business creator mode off and then turn it on again. Go back and apply the effects again. Sometimes this refresh method temporarily restores the features. Remember, this is not a permanent fix, just a temporary workaround until a future update possibly resolves the issue. If you don't want to deal with these errors, you can also try alternative editing apps like Lightmotion or Filmora. These apps provide similar editing features and may work more smoothly depending on your device. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and comment. This method is 100% working. You can see that I can apply as many effects and animations as I want, and there is no problem at all. Even if I close and reopen the app, the effects do not disappear. You simply need to turn business creator mode on and off as needed. When the effects stop working, just toggle it off and on again, and the effects will start working. I have also shown that even after turning off the VPN, the effects are still visible. And after turning the VPN on, the effects are still visible. If your problem is still not solved, then it may be because of your mobile data. Try using Wi-Fi data or take a hotspot from someone else so that your IP address changes. After the new update, CapCut is detecting users' IP addresses and blocking all effects from its server. It is banning effects based on the IP address. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and comment. I'll continue trying to find a proper solution and share it with you as soon as possible. If this method doesn't work for you, don't worry. Sometimes it depends on your phone model or region.